Hi, my name is Peter and welcome to Bullet. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook timeline cover look like this, or get these lined up, which is quite tricky. The inspiration for this came from an infographic we did about Irish company tax, which we tried to explain to people as a timeline, because tax is done in a timeline. So we used great photographs from Kevin Meredith and just laid it out in a timeline that everybody understood, and it was quite popular, and we got asked a lot of questions as to how we created this. So I had a look on some blogs, and they don't explain it very well, and Facebook don't make it very easy for you. Big problem with it is this image. This is like 850 by 310, and this image here is 125 by 125 pixels. But when you're uploading it to Facebook, they won't let you upload anything under 180. So in actual fact, what you have to do is blow it up to 200 by 200, and then Facebook resize it back down again, which is not very intuitive and unbelievably tricky to do. So we have got some guides done. So we'll remove all of that. So that's our page there. So I'll get rid of that, and we'll just jump straight in here to Macromedia. I use Macromedia to do our design, but you can see here it's a working document, so I'm sure the same principles apply to Fireworks. So these are the grids I've set up. So this is our master image which I've set up, which is 850 wide by 369 down. Okay. Here are the guides I've set up. So this guide is at 28. This guide is at 153. This guide is at 244, and this guide is at 310, and then the footer guide is at 369. They say to use 370, but 369 seemed to work for us, and we're very particular about this link up here. Okay, so these guides make a bit of sense. If I layer Facebook on top of it, you can see where that middle guide comes in. So the bottom of the photograph gets cropped there. So we'll just take that out of there. So this is what we're looking to do. You can see here this is a layer document. I'll upload this onto the blog post as well, so that you'll be able to drop your own image in behind it, okay, because sometimes guides can be a little tricky to use. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to save this file as so there's only a couple of files we use. We're going to save this as master flat. Okay, because what I'm going to do, and I'll use right clicks for all of this so everybody can see what I'm doing, is we're going to select all, which I'm going to do here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click again, and I'm going to go flatten selection. So basically what that does is now we've created a bitmap. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take slices, we're going to take chunks from the bitmap, and then upload them into Facebook. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a slice of this for our profile image. So you can see here it's 125 by 125. Okay, we're going to right click that, and we're going to say new bitmap via copy. Okay, so we can see here now we've got a new bitmap. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that bitmap. I'll do this like this so it's easy for you guys to see. And I'm going to create a new file. 125 by 125 will come up as default, and we're going to drop that in. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify that image size and make it 200 by 200. Make sure that your constraint proportions is on there. So that file now becomes that size. Okay, and we're going to save that down as Facebook small. Okay, because that's a small image. Now I'll show you how crazy that is if I drop that back down on our master file. So that's it there. Okay, now that is so not intuitive to anybody out there who's working on this, so I can understand why it took a bit of time. Okay, so let's delete that out. So we have we can delete that out as well. So now we're back to our flat bitmap. Now what I want to do is I want to create a selection of this. Okay, so it's 850 by 310. Again, we're going to right click, edit, and go new bitmap via copy. Okay, we're just going to do that again because I think my mouse is a bit wonky. So we're going to right click, new bitmap via copy. Okay, that doesn't seem to want to work for me. Let's try it one more time. So right down here, right click, new bitmap via copy. There we go. So we can see there I've got the new bitmap. So let's select that here. Let's go File, New. So we have a new clean image. You can see it's 850 by 310. We're going to drop that guy in, and then we're going to make sure that's just a line that just slipped there. We're going to modify and trim canvas. So now we're back to 850 by 310. Okay, those 1 pixels will throw it off quite a bit. So so now we're going to save that as Facebook large. So we only have 2 files again. We have Facebook small and Facebook large, and then the other 2 documents in there are our working documents. So let's get back to Facebook. So the first thing we're going to do is upload the big image. So that's our cover photograph. We're going to upload a photo. Okay, and we're going to pick Facebook large. Okay, so that's uploading there. You can see down at the bottom left hand corner. Now another kind of quirky thing that Facebook throws you up when you're trying to do this is it'll give you the option to resize or drag and reposition it, but when you do those exact dimensions of 310 by 850 there is no shift, so it won't let you do it. So I don't know why it asks you to do that, but it's frustrating. So we're going to save that. So there we go. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to upload a photo into our profile. So that's the small image. So we'll do Facebook small. So let's upload that now, and there we can see, and there's a perfect match between that 2. See that? So I hope you found that helpful. I'll upload this into a blog post. If you've any queries or questions, please let us know. Please share it out, and if you have a smarter, easier way of doing it, because mine is a bit of a hack, definitely let us know and we'll share that out as well. Okay, thanks for watching.